In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account for a streamlined financial experience. If you're looking to simplify your financial management and save time, connecting your bank account is the way to go. Let's get started. First, you need to look for the option to link your account. This is usually found under the banking section of most financial management apps or websites. Once you navigate to this section, you'll notice a feature that allows you to search for your bank. This search tool is incredibly handy because it saves time and helps ensure that you find the exact bank you're looking to connect. Simply type in the name of your bank and let the search function do the work. When you find your bank from the list provided, selecting it will take you to the next crucial step: logging in securely. This is where you'll need your online banking username and password. Enter your credentials carefully to avoid any mistakes. Security is of utmost importance here, so you might encounter additional security steps from your bank. This could be in the form of two-factor authentication, where a code is sent to your phone or email. Make sure you have access to these so you can enter the code and proceed. After successfully logging into your bank's portal, you'll need to authorize the connection. You'll probably see a prompt asking if you wish to allow this third-party service to access your account information. This is a pivotal step as it grants permission for the app to pull in your banking data. It's essential to review what information will be accessed and ensure you're comfortable with it. This usually includes basic account details and transaction history. Once you're satisfied with the terms, click the Authorize button to give your consent. With that done, you've linked your account. The app or service will now start auto-importing your transactions. This means you can immediately start viewing your financial activity within the app. The transactions will populate automatically, reflecting any purchases, withdrawals, or deposits you've made recently. This feature significantly enhances your ability to keep track of your spending habits and monitor your financial health without the need for manual data entry. Remember, linking your bank account to a financial management tool can be empowering, offering you enhanced insights into your spending and saving patterns with minimal fuss. You now have a real-time view of your transactions at your fingertips, so you can make more informed financial decisions. And there you have it, a seamless way to connect your bank account to automatically import transactions, thereby making managing your finances a breeze. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this integration as useful as I do.